So this is Tregunnon Cottage, a character home full of charm, 2 bedrooms in a lovely position, a beautiful garden and a far-reaching view. Just look at that. So let's come and have a closer look at some of the features of this property. For more information on this property, please call Webbers today on 01566 776211. Thank you.